So what's going on, everyone? I've updated my Vision Pro to the VisionOS 26. I'm gonna show you right now a few difference from before, a few updates. First of all, if you have this is a new thing, new layout right here. Looks way better for sure. It has that glass look. It's cleaner than before for sure. Let's put that away. They also have this widget app that you can add, let's say ChatGPT. Let's do a clock. Let's say we're gonna add this widget or this one right here. Those of you who can't read an analog clock, you can also have a nicer looking one like so. There you go. Let's add this guy right here. Looks pretty clean right there. Now you get to bring this into places and just put it right there and snap it in place. And then you can also edit some settings right here. There you go. Or you can change the frame width. Maybe make it bigger like so. And then hit done. And there you go. So as you could see here, we have the calendar. We also have a clock right there. Now the music somewhat is not functioning right now for some reason. Let's say I click it like so, and it doesn't come up there for I don't know whatever reason. But anyways, at least you can have it. Once it does work, it'll come up on that. You can also add news. Now, if you're subscribed to a certain magazine or news, and it'll update it to today's. I don't have that right now, so we're just gonna leave it right there. You can also take some photos or use kind of like a photo frame like so. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a kind of like a big one like this, and we're gonna snap it in place just right here. And as you could see, there is my photo. Now of course you can choose an album as well. Choose an album, there you go, and choose whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it like so. You could change the width of the frame as well and change the color of your frame. Pretty nice, right? There you go. Kind of like I'm full of myself, but that's what it is. It's nice. Anyways, they also have stocks. For example, if you're following a few stocks, you can add a big one on there, a big stock guy with graphs and everything. You know, your watch list right there. Oh, I'll leave it right in the middle there. There you go. Hit done. Oh wait, maybe we can. There it is. Yeah, so you can show your watch list name there. Even off hours. There you go. You could see the price of Bitcoin. Again, you could change the width of the frame, and then you could change the color as well, just like so. So all our frames are pretty much the same color here. And if you click it, as you could see there, then you'll be able to change that as well. There you go. I'm not sure why I changed. Oh, I changed the whole thing. All right. It's crazy how you can inset. Look at that. I'm gonna try to not fall over here. But if you're looking at the inset, it looks like it's inside your walls there. That is super cool, right? I think I'm gonna leave this one like that. Hit done, and that's it. Yeah, so it's nice that this one is so trippy. Looks like it's inside the wall. Wow. Okay. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Now another feature that they added here is what I found anyway is the persona. There it is. they actually updated it, and in my opinion, that is really good. Okay, like it's almost, I look better on the persona than in person. The eyes, I do have a little bit of a lazy eye, so it does kind of make sense, but it's pretty accurate. Even the hands, it comes up, and so that's so nice. In my opinion, that is, I don't know, I can't be any better than that. Let me know what you think, but in my opinion, that's really good. Even the lip, how it moves and stuff. Look, I'm doing this. Wow. The eyebrows and stuff. Your eyes. Wow. The tracking is just really good, right? Anyways, we can also edit some of the stuff here. I just wanted to show you how good the persona is. And in my opinion, I'm super impressed by it. Super nice. Now, another thing that you can do here is you can play games now, actually. And you can, I haven't tried it, so I'm not going to show you guys today, but I will try to figure it out for you guys. You can use a controller now, which is like a, let's say a Quest 3 controller or something. You can use that now on here, and you'll be able to play some games interactively, like a real VR headset, right? Which is really cool. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Kind of like a live, we're doing it together, okay? Like we're discovering this new VisionOS 26 together. It's nice that I was able to share to you guys what it feels like using this Vision Pro. No, I don't use it that often, but I think in my opinion, it's still worth it. Because you get to try the new things that Apple is wanting to, put in. And look at this guy. What's this? I'm gonna try this one. This is a new thing. Look, video utility. Okay. Anyways, it's a new app that I don't know. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will do a iOS 26 update overview as well. Let me know if you want some of that. I'll try my best to do that as fast as I can. That's a little bit more intensive because Apple put in a lot more updates on that, and my phone is pretty much dead right now, and also it's like kind of laggy. I have a 15 Pro Max, and in my opinion, it's already lagged. So I'm gonna hopefully my phone adjusts to the new update, and be able to show you guys properly what it looks like. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.